Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make donuts easy at home. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of warm milk, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Don't forget a pinch of salt and some butter. Having everything measured and ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. First, activate your yeast in warm milk with a little sugar. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. Then, in a large bowl, combine the flour, remaining sugar, salt, eggs, and the yeast mixture. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until it doubles in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or 2 different-sized round cutters to create your donut shapes and holes. Now for the fun part. Heat about 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop in a few donuts at a time, frying for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they're golden brown. Remove them with a slotted spoon and place them on a wire rack. While still warm, dip them in a simple glaze made from powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.